guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday. Today we're going to be doing my Mail Haul Monday series where I'll be unboxing packages from the previous week. I did just put a lipstick on and my lips keep getting stuck. Anywho, really quick before we get started, if you are new to my channel, then hello, welcome. Make sure before you leave, you do not forget to subscribe down below. That way you're notified for future videos from me. I do post 3 times a week. So Wednesdays, Fridays, and then every Monday we do mail hauls. Also make sure to click the bell notification so you're notified as soon as the videos go live. But I'm very excited to jump into this video, so let's get started. Okay, so what do we have first? There's lots of big boxes this week. Okay, let's see here. Ooh. Okay, first thing I got was this huge package that says Fragile. Okay, so this actually came from ColourPop, and it is the Bretman Rock collection. Okay, here's what the box looks like that ColourPop sent over, and it says Bretman Rock x ColourPop. I cannot stand how my lips keep getting stuck together. Let me put on some lip gloss. That might help. So, as you guys know, Bretman Rock collabed with ColourPop for a collaboration. It says, hey guys, so I came out with not even 1.5, but 2 collections or whatever. I wanted to define beauty in my own way with these collections. This is inspired from a little immigrant boy with nothing but his bags, personality, and out of this world beauty. Oh, and dreams. As I was saying, I hope you enjoy this collection. This is for my baddies who like to either be wet or lit, or honestly, even both. So they actually sent it in this cute little case. It's like a, I don't know what you want to call it, like a, almost like a vanity setup is what I like to think of it as, if I can get it open. So the top has the wet collection, and then you pull out this little bottom part and it has the lit collection. So I'm excited. Let's open all these products. I love ColourPop. You guys know this. Okay, I don't even know what that is. I'm very excited. I'm just trying to take everything out of the box first. All right, so first there are 2 different lip bundles. So you have the wet, which is the blue, and then the lit, which is the red. Probably not gonna swatch these. I might save them for you guys. Ooh, really pretty. So this one you have is an ultra glossy lip. I'm sure it's more clear, but it has like a blue tint in the packaging. Then you have a ultra satin lip that is a nude shade. And then last but not least, you have a dark lip liner. The second lit collection, you have a fiery red ultra satin lip. And then you have one that is like a gold glitter lip gloss. This would be my pick, just from the 2. And then you have like a dark vampy lip liner. So I love that this collection actually comes with a lipstick, lip gloss, and a lip liner, because normally ColourPop, like trios normally are like lip glosses or a satin lip and a gloss. I've never seen them with lip liners, so I really like that. Okay, then we have 2 different blushes. So you have Oh She's Blushing, which is very bright, and then you have Stop It, which looks more of like a, kind of like a red burgundy type shade. So there are those 2. And then these are very interesting. They also came out with body glitters. That's what these were. And that's when I opened it, I'm like, what is this? So here are these 2 shades. I've never really used body glitters. Maybe we'll do like a first impressions, but this one is, oh my gosh. But this one is, OMG, I'm wet. And this one is, She's Lit. So to kind of go with the theme. All right, now let's get down to the 2 things I'm the most excited about, which are the palettes. So the lit one is the one that I'm the most interested in because it is more like warm tones, which is more up my alley. But I do want to try the other one as well. So it says lit on the front, has like a glitter packaging. The only downside to this is the glitter does kind of come off a little bit. And then here's what the palette looks like. So you get 8 different shades, and let's swatch them, of course. Ooh, that's beautiful. Ooh, yes. So there are those 4 shades swatched. And then let's do the other ones. Ooh, that's really pretty. Okay, so there are the other ones, super pretty. And there those are swatched. So that is the lit palette, very pretty. The shades feel really nice. They feel like ColourPop's like normal formula, and you guys know I love their eyeshadows. Okay, next one is the wet collection. Okay, so here's that one. And these are beautiful blues. I cannot wait to swatch that one. It's kind of like a teal shimmer shade. Ooh, that is so pretty. So here are those 4. And then there they are swatched. That one obviously swatched the best. Okay, I am making a mess. These, I love how there's more like almost half and half between mattes and metallics. I mean, those Those are popping. Those look really nice. And there are those. So beautiful. Congratulations to Bretman Rock on this collection. And I'm excited to try these on the eyes. I cannot get over the metallics. They're very, very beautiful. And thank you so much to ColourPop and Bretman Rock for that package. Okay, now my fingers are going to be stained from those swatches. The struggle. Next package came from MAC. Am I sideways? Okay, so there's lots of information for us to go over. It looks like they sent over their holiday collection. It says shiny pretty things. I don't have my glasses on. Yeah, shiny pretty things. Okay, so let's just see what all's in this collection because it looks like there's a lot of stuff. And I literally have stuff everywhere. All right, so first thing we have, I'm the most excited about this probably, the MAC Shiny Pretty Things Face Compact in Fair. Ooh, that is beautiful. It's like very textured and it has MAC on the side. Kind of looks like a little present. Ooh, and you open it up, you have a highlight, a blush, and a bronzer. Yes, these are like really creamy. Ooh, I cannot wait to play. So there are those three. And then we'll just ever so slightly swatch them. So there's that. I might have to pick up the like deep, or not deep, but maybe like medium because this is a tad bit too light, but it still will work. The highlight's gorgeous. Let me put that highlight on right now. Do I have a highlight brush? I do. My highlight is not as popping as I need it to be, so hopefully this will help. Very pretty. Very pretty. Oh, I'm excited about that. So there's that palette. Love the highlight and the blush shade too. And honestly, I keep getting fairer, so I bet the blush will probably work. Not the blush, the bronzer. Okay, and then they sent over the rest in like a little MAC bag. I love me some MAC Cosmetics. So let's pour this, not pour it out, but you know, shake it out. Okay, so the first thing I see here is a Extra Dimension Skin Finish in Snow Flushed. That's cute. Okay, so it comes in like a very reflective mirror packaging. Ooh, it's glittery. Ooh, yes. I can dig that. Look at that. That's really pretty. I know you guys couldn't see it very well in my hand. It's got a very pink finish to it. So there's that one. Okay, I'm digging this collection so far. Then we have 4 lip gloss. So the first one we have is called Cake Top. Look how pretty. Oh, yes, this is gorgeous. That is Cake Top. The next one we have is called Iced Orchid. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. We next have Rose Buddy. Ooh, that's a really pretty vampy shade. And then last but not least, we have Two Door Rose. Ooh, pretty bright pink shade. So those are the lip glosses. I'm not sure how many come in the collection, but those are the ones that they sent me. And then we have a couple different, it's like hard to figure out what these are because the packaging. Dazzle eyeliner. So the first one we have is called Statuesque. Really pretty metallic glitter shade. We have Holiday Time. I have to swatch this. This is like a really pretty gold glitter shade. I love that. Just to me, I just don't know if they're opaque enough. I mean, well, this one's pretty opaque, but I just wonder like how they would do over top of an eyeshadow, you know? Next one we have is Midnight Toast. This is a really pretty like navy blue. And then last but not least, we have a Little Moonlight, which is like a black. So there are those. And then last 2 things from the collection, they sent over an eyeshadow in the shade Shiny Pretty Shadow. This is called P for Pink. And then lastly, we have a Babe Town lipstick. Ooh. Again, like very mirrored packaging. Oh yes, my shade. Putting this to the side. Definitely want to try that out tonight. So thank you so much to MAC for that holiday collection. I cannot wait to use these products. There's a lot of paper for all this stuff. I guess that they have more things probably than what they sent. Ooh, they have like little bags. Those are cute. They have a little mini palette. Super cute. They have sets that have the highlight and a brush in it. So I mean, they have lots of eyeshadow palettes. We have these, so that's the darker one. I kind of want to pick that one up. And then they have these lipstick kits. That's not bad. That retails, oh, well, it retails for $69, but you do get a lot of shades. You have that one with the liquid lipsticks. I mean, they came out with a lot for holiday. They have brush set, little dazzle shadows. I'll give you guys a secret. If you have a Tanger outlet near you, look it up and see if they have a cosmetic company outlet in Tanger. And if they do, a lot of times these MAC holiday collections, like next year, they will actually be in that store and they're discounted like a lot. Or if you don't want those ones, normally they have ones from like the previous years with glitters and stuff. So it's a great way to get some really cool stuff at a discounted price. Okay, next package we have came from Coqui Cosmetics. See what they sent over. Ooh, it says, hope you love our Be Bright concealer line now at Rite Aid. Oh, these are so cute. Wow. Dang, they have a decent amount of shades. I mean, these look really cute. Let's swatch one. This is the shade Medium Beige. Let's just see what the consistency feels like. Honestly, it looks pretty dang full coverage. I will have to give those a try. So thank you, Coqui. I love mixing and matching my concealers. Okay, next package. I'm not sure who this is from. Oh, this is from It Cosmetics. Okay, I'm sorry you guys don't hate me. I think by the time this video goes up, this will be over. But stay tuned because they always have a really awesome QVC set. So this is It's Your Top 5 Superstars set from QVC. Has awesome stuff in it. In this particular one, you have the Celebration Foundation right here. You have the Confidence in a Cream Moisturizer. You have the Bye Bye Under Eye in Light Natural. You have the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. And then you have it's the Je ne sais quoi Hydrating Color Awakening Lip Treatment Serum. But always stay tuned for It Cosmetics QVC. Oh, I missed it. Sorry, there's a brush too. Dang. So here's what the brush looks like, but they always have really good deals and the sets are always fabulous. And this packaging, love. Thank you so much to It Cosmetics for that package. I missed this for Halloween. I know that was a while ago, but nonetheless, I still want to show this to you guys. Urban Decay was so sweet to send this over. I think I may have posted it on Instagram or something, but they had sent over this little Halloween package of goodies. So they sent over their Oil Control Setting Spray. They sent over a couple different eyeliners. So we have Torch, Perversion, and Alkaline. They sent over some of their heavy metal glitters. And this is in the shade Catcall and Garma Ray, I think is what it is. It's like a blue and a peach. And then last two things they sent over is a heavy metal glitter. And this one is Midnight Cowboy. And this is like a gold glitter. And then they sent over their Perversion mascara. So thank you so much, Urban Decay. I know I'm a little bit late, but you guys know, like, I try to at least show everything I get on YouTube because I just hope the brands know, like, how thankful I am for the packages. So thank y'all so much. So even if I, like, show it late, I still always want to show it. All right, last two packages, and then we are wrapping it up. This came from Ritzy Cosmetics. Love them. Okay, so here's what that looks like. And let's see what they sent over. Ooh la la. Ooh, this is a Liquid Beam multi-purpose liquid illuminator. And so we have Topaz, Copper, Pearl, and Quartz. So let's open these up. So here's the first one. It says Liquid Beam. It looks like a lip gloss, but it gives you like a really pretty glow. I wonder if you could... Oh, hopefully. I probably went a little bit high with that, but... So there's that. This one is in Quartz. Next one we have is Pearl, and Pearl is like an icy shade. Next we have Topaz, which is a beautiful like champagne-y shade. And then the very last one we have is Copper, and then this one is more of like a bronzy shade. So thank you so much to Ritzy. If you guys haven't tried them out, they have really awesome lipsticks, and they also have these really cool dew pots too. Those are like my favorite products that they have. Okay, and very last thing I'm probably going to open is this Allure beauty box. And I always love the Allure boxes. So, this Allure box, ooh. Okay, this one's a really good one. Okay, first thing you have is the YSL Matte Stain Lipstick. You have the Ultra Repair Cream. You have, oh my gosh, Good Genes by Sunday Riley. You have a Caudalie Skin Perfecting Serum. I mean, all these products are like really high end. You have a Water Bomb but from BKR Paris. That's the only one that I don't know about. You have a Ceramic Slip by Sunday Riley. And last but not least, you have the Hourglass Extreme Lash Mascara. You guys, check this box out if it's still available. That is bomb. And thank you again To every single brand, thank you to Allure. Thank you to everyone else that was kind enough to send me packages. You know how much it's appreciated. I love y'all so much. I hope you like this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.